one. Right off the start, upsetting Spaghetti knocking off a red. Strafing over drops some greens. Meanwhile, Engineer here getting some more greens into their collection system. Upsetting Spaghetti's lining up to drop off some greens into the goal. They get one. Meanwhile, Engineer here is getting some into the goal as well. They get one in. Then they get the second. They get two in. Two goals out, two cubes. And they now switch directors. Immediately, Engineer here gets some more in. Upsetting Spaghetti getting some in the goal as well. With 20 seconds left, all these red cubes are off the post for 15 extra points. Due to the last 15 seconds, we'll see if any of these teams go for a partial or full party attack. Upsetting Spaghetti getting a few more cubes in this goal. With 5 seconds left, cubes are driving to the park. All right, qualification match number 87. We have 4-0-3-0-1G. Stay at home.